Good morning, dear students. We are doing exercise 9.1 and today we will just start from question number 10. So, question number 10 is two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. We have two poles. These two poles are of equal heights. Let us consider this pole to be AB and this pole to be CD. And they are standing on the either side of the road. And this road is 80-meter wide. The width of the road is 80-meter. It is given. And the special thing is the heights are equal. So let us consider these heights to be H because they are of equal height. So let AB equal to CD equal to H. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30 degree respectively. From a point between the poles on the road, let us consider this point. From this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles, this angle, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the other pole are 60 degree and 30 degree. 60 degree and 30 degree. So just note down this point is between them, not exactly between. Some students take this point exactly between because it is only set between anywhere. Okay, and moreover, these angles are different. Angles of elevation are different. So what it means? This point cannot be in the middle. If this point will be exactly between, then these angles must be equal. But here, this point is anywhere else, not exactly between, but between BD anywhere. Okay, so AB and CD are two poles of equal height and they are standing on either side of road. Width of the road is 80-meter and from this point the angle of elevation of the tops of the poles are 60 and 30 degree. So what we have to do, find the height of the poles and distance of the point from the poles. One thing we have to find their heights and the location of this point means BP and PD is required. So let us consider BP to be X. If BP is X, then DP will be 80 minus X. This will be 80 minus X. If it is X, then it will be 80 minus X. So now start, we will take any of the triangle because we are talking about perpendicular and base, so we will apply the formula for tan. So in triangle ABP, tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular AB upon base BP. Tan 60 is root 3. AB is H, BP is X. So just cross multiply, you will get this. This is equation number 1. Now take another triangle which is triangle CPD or CDP. So in this triangle, tan angle is 30 degree. Okay, equal to perpendicular CD upon base DP. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. CD you know it is also H and DP is 80 minus X. So you can just put the value of H from using equation 1 here, or you can write the value of X also. So what I am doing, I am using equation 1. I am using the value of H here. So I can write H equal to X root 3 here. So X root 3 in place of H I kept X root 3 from equation 1 upon, sorry, it is 80 minus X. 80 minus X. So, so now let us solve this. Cross multiply, you will get root 3 into root 3, 3. So 80 equal to 3x minus x will be shifted to give plus x. So 80 is equal to 4x. So x will be 20. Put x in equation number 1 here. You will get h equal to 20 root 3 meter. So what we will conclude? So height of the poles is 20 root 3 each. So heights of the poles equal to 20 root 3 meter, and the distance of that point P from poles will be, one distance is x, which is 20 meter, and other distance is 80 minus x. So 80 minus 20 will give you 60 meter. So this is your answer. Okay, dear students. So just pause the video to note down the solution. After this, we have question number 11. Okay. Question number 11 is, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. We have a canal, and one on one of its bank there is a tower. Let us consider this tower to be AB, and the canal is BC. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. This is the canal BC, and from other bank, this is the other bank. On one bank there is a tower, and on the other bank just opposite to it there is a point, and from this point the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point, on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower, on this line is joining the foot of the tower. So on this line 20-meter away, it is saying away. If it is it was saying that towards the building, then we will take this point here, but it is saying away, so we are taking point D, 20-meter away from this. From there, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. From this point, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. You can also see that if we will move toward the building, the angle of elevation will be increased, and if we are moving far away from this, the angle of elevation will be decreased. So it is now decreased to 30 degree, and this point is D is 20-meter away from C. It is given. Okay, so here is our right angle. Now what is asked? Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. So two things we have to find: height of the tower, that is AB, and width of the canal, that is BC. Okay, these things we have to find. Okay, so now one by one take two right triangles. Always remember that we have to take only right triangle. Some of the student take A, C, D. This is not a right triangle. You will always include this point where 90 degrees forming. So first of all take triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, which of the formula we will apply? We are talking about perpendicular and base. So obviously for tan theta, the tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 60 is root 3. So by cross multiplication you will get this. This is not any answer, this is not any value, but there is a relation. So let us lock like a equation. Now take other triangle, which is triangle ABD. So in this triangle ABD, tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular AB upon base BD. So tan 30, you know, it is 1 by root 3, and AB we have considered to be H, and BD will be 20 plus X. You can see from the figure 20 plus X. Now cross multiply 20 plus X equal to H root 3. Okay. Now what to do? Now use equation 1. You can write H equal to X root 3. So put the value of H here. Use equation 1 here. You can write the value of H as X root 3. And 1 root 3 is already here. We can write using equation 1. So 20 plus X equal to root 3 into root 3, 3. So 20 equal to X will be going that side to give subtraction 2X. So X is 10. Okay. X is 10. Put X in equation number 1. You will get H equal to X root 3. 10 root 3. So 10 root 3 meter. So we have now two answers. Width of the canal is 10 meter and height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. So you can just note down this. So let us check the answer. It is exercise 9.1 and question number 11. Okay, fine. It's correct answer. Now proceed to the next question, which is question number 12. Okay, so question number 12. Question number 12 is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, we have a building which is 7-meter high. First of all, you make the figure. Read the language very carefully. 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. It is saying that we have a building AB and the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree from the top of a 7-meter high building. We are watching from here to the top of a tower. Let us consider the tower is CD, and it is said that there is an angle of elevation when we see the top of the tower from the top of the building. What it means? The tower is higher than the building. So because the angle of elevation is forming to see this point from this point, and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, and the angle of depression of its foot from the same point is 45 degree. And if we are watching the foot of the tower from the same point, then the angle of depression is 45 degree. This angle of depression is 45 degree. Once again, I will just explain to you. We have 7-meter high building. We are watching from its top to the top of a cable tower. This CD is cable tower and this AB is building. And from here, we are watching the top of the cable tower. Then the angle of elevation is 60 degree. And when we watch the foot of the tower from this point, the angle of depression is always formed from the horizontal, An angle of elevation is also formed from the horizontal. So this line is this time working as horizontal line. So let us consider this point to be E. Okay. Now see, if AB is 7 meter, then ED is also 7 meter. So from figure we can see ED equal to AB equal to 7 meter. Okay, so what is asked? It is asked determine the height of the tower. We have to find the height of the tower. Okay, so in this question we have to find. So uh, whenever you will get the angle of depression, find its alternate. So you can see this line is parallel to this line will be worked as transversal, so its alternate will be here, which is 45 degree. So now we have two right triangles, AEC, and other right triangle is ABD, in which we will apply the properties. So in triangle ABD we will apply first, because in this triangle at least one of the thing we know. So for tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular AB upon base BD. Tan 45 is 1, AB is 7, BD we don't know. So just cross multiply, you will get BD equal to 7 meter. Now take other triangle, which is triangle AEC. So in this triangle, angle is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 60, you know, it is root 3, and CE we don't know, but AE is equal to BD. From the figure, you know this is a rectangle. So opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So BD equal to AE. So you can just mention here that AE equal to BD equal to, and BD is 7 meter. So AE is also 7 meter. So now cross multiply, you will get 7 root 3 meter. But tower is CD, not only CE. So to get CD, we will just add CE to ED. So what is the value of C? It is 7 root 3. And what is the value of ED? It is 7. So you can take 7 as common, and you will get root 3 plus 1 meter. So this is your answer. So students, today we have done question number uh, 10, 11 and 12. So note down the solutions. Thank you so much for today.